Hey guys, Mark here. I hope you are well. In today's video, I'm demonstrating the lanyard knot, which is a knot that I have already covered. I'm going to demonstrate the knot in a bit of a different style, and I really want to know what you think about this way of presenting a knot. So this is the lanyard knot black and white edition. Today's video is going to be on the two-stranded lanyard knot. This is one of the most useful knots that you can learn how to tie. It acts as a two-stranded stopper knot, which is very useful, for example, for finishing bracelets. On one side you have a loop, and on the other side you need a stopper knot to feed through the loop and finish off the bracelet. For this purpose, the lanyard knot is ideal. Let me show you how to tie it. So we have two strands coming out of a bracelet. I've snipped the other two used to create a series of cobra knots. So these are the two core strands. To tie a lanyard knot, I'm going to take the left strand and use it to make a loop. Like this. Take the right strand and pass it under the loop, facing up. So under the loop, facing up. Take the right strand, pass over this top left strand, then under the left strand, then weave over, under, over through these three strands. So over, under, and over. This basically creates a carrick band. Now usually the carrick band is recognized by this diamond shape at the center. What we're going to do now is transform the carrick band into the lanyard knot. Take the top right strand, pass it over this left strand coming out of the bracelet, so over, then immediately under and through the diamond shape at the center of the carrick band. Like this. Take the other strand on the bottom left, go past this top right strand coming out of the bracelet, so past, then under and through the diamond shape at the center of the carrick band. Then pull on all of the strands, so the two working ends and the two standing ends coming out of the bracelet. After doing this, you may need to adjust the knot a little bit, pulling out any redundant slack. So something like this. A lanyard knot, which is an excellent two-stranded stopper knot. This is it for this lanyard knot tutorial. Please let me know what you think about this way of presenting a knot, and would you like any more knots featured this way? Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to see you next time.